G'day everybody, it's me, Professor Hill. We're doing Would You Rather, meaning would you rather be a girl or would you rather be a boy? Let's begin. Our first question is... Oh, I'll just get this. Our first question is, would you rather be in a room full of people dying, like... or be the only person in the biggest empty room? If you're around people that is dying, you do not know what they're dying with. They might die with a disease. But if you're the only person in the room and you're not a... No, first of all, is when you're in a small room. If you're scared of big rooms, pick that one, but I'm not scared of big rooms, and I do not want to get caught what the dying people are getting. If you were considered of a crime, would you rather go to jail for life or have the death penalty? Jail for life, and you know, but yet all the stories I heard from prison. If I have to choose, and I'll be stuck in there for eternity. If I can, I'm going to the death. I'm just going straight to death. Would you rather be handcuffed to your worst enemy for life, or be spiritually separated from your entire family for life? No, but I do not have a worst. Wait, I do. Damn it. If I have to say, so I can't see my family face to face, but without now online, I got family members I haven't seen for a long time. So I'll probably go with family. If you play a board game every single day, would you rather only play Risk or play Monopoly? I would just play Monopoly, okay? Monopoly is fun. Would you rather be discovered feet first into suffolk acid? I mean dead by the acid burning my face with no feet first. Ooh, that's much worse. I'll be feeling the pain. Or have the mafia hit on your family. No, but mafia only. So I basically piss off the mafia. They had given me a choice. I die for my family, or I let my family die. And I will have a painful death. But I'm one of the oldest male in my whole family. One of the oldest, meaning I will see children, my kids will be killed. So I'm going to see. Would you rather bring back Chris Price Farrelly, or bring back John Candy? Who the F are those? Let's see. So it's asking to bring back this guy or to bring back this guy. I will pick John Candy. Let's see, would you rather be telekinetic or telepathic? Telekinetic because I can move objects. Like Darth Vader. Dun, 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 dun. Would you rather never again play games on your computer or never play a console or multiple devices again? That means I can't use my phone. Wait. Portable devices again. Portable devices games. Oh, they're talking about Switch. I don't even use Switch. And my phone is counted as a computer. So if I can't play games on my phone, I'd rather play games on the computer. So, yeah. Would you rather be a Slytherin or be a Griffin? Oh, Harry Potter thing. Griffin. Would you rather be allergic to babies or be allergic to elderly people? If I'm allergic to babies, I can't even touch my baby. This through I do not want to do. So I'm gonna do this. Any mean I just and I peeked. Okay. Would you rather eat a Flintstone vitamins or drink a bottle of? I have no idea what that is. I'm going to skip this because I have no idea what that is. Would you rather have an iPad or have an iPhone? iPhone. If you had to do one every other year, if you have to do one every other year, would you rather live completely alone on an isolated island or be overworked in a corrupted factory? I'd be alone on an island or be overworked. I'd probably pick overworked. I'll pick overworked. Would you rather be married to someone that doesn't love you, so basically a gold digger, or married to someone that you don't love? So I'm being a gold digger. Do I want marrying someone that don't love you, so somebody's being gold digger against me, or marry somebody that I don't love? So basically, would you rather be a gold digger? And gold digger is basically people marrying people for their money. So I would not like both. Ugh. Easy. I'll pick that one. At least I will feel love. Would you rather find out that you swallowed a spider in your sleep, or find out that your waiter has spit in your meal? Wait, the spider will just die when you accidentally swallow that, and you don't even know. You'd be like livid, gross out. Oh, and I have no idea what the bloody waiter has any bacteria in his. So I'll probably pick the spider. 50-50. Would you rather eat a pine cone or eat an acorn? I have never eaten an acorn, and I have tried to eat a pine cone. It's spiky. I'd rather eat an acorn. Would you rather stub your toe or get a paper cut? I would rather get a paper cut. Would you rather be able to talk to read minds, but you get a really bad headache after you use it? Be able to fly, but you're afraid of heights. I'd rather reading minds. I can easily go professional and do poker, so I can know what my opponent has. But getting a headache, I just have a couple of headache pills. So would you rather fight all the original power, or fight from a Prime? Megazord robot. So, damn it, I'm going to Transformers. I don't even watch that, so I don't even get that. Get this. I know Optimus Prime is like a giant truck, and if I can pick any weapon, it'd be simple. If I can pick anything, I'll probably use a weapon that can easily use a magnetic field, so I can easily destruct the robot's cells. I'll just robot cells, so I can easily do that to them. Let's see, would you rather have to learn how to walk again? So I've been crippled to the point now learning or have to learn about every date in the history and why they were important. Seriously? So I'm doing history again. I like learning new things. I'll probably do. So I hope you have a good day. This will be my last question. Would you rather basically eat reheated liver for the rest of your life, or pay to eat out at a restaurant for every meal? I'd rather do restaurant. And now, I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay. And if you want, type down what you want to see. I have no idea what to do next. Okay. Type down any ideas you want me to do. I may do it. Okay. Or I have enough thumbs up. At least about 5 people thumbs up a video, I may consider it to do. Okay. So see ya. Bye.